One of the fastest ways to grow your money is to make sure it is doing the earning for you, and not the other way around. If you don't want to take higher risks with your investments, such as with stocks or bonds, a high-yield savings product is your next best bet. Certificates of deposit are a great way to invest your funds and know exactly how much you'll have at the end of its term length. Geobanking Rates Quick Pick. Today's featured pick is the 2-year CD account offered by Credit Human Federal Credit Union. This account has an APY of 4.4%. With a required minimum opening deposit of $500, this CD is an excellent choice for those looking to grow their money securely. With the Federal Reserve lowering rates by a full percentage point since September, now could be the perfect time to lock in a high APY before CD rates drop. Read on to learn more about the top CD rates available today. Top CD rates today. Here's a look at the top CD rates for today. A history of top CD rates, 2010 to 2025. At this point, the economy being a roller coaster is not news, so it's not a shock that the landscape of CD rates has evolved significantly over the past decade. Sometimes in order to understand where CD rates are going, it is good to know where they've been. Here are some key takeaways from the CD rate timeline. In the early 2010s, rates were relatively low, reflecting the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis. Banks offered CD rates below 0.42%, a trend that persisted for several years as the economy recovered. Fast forward to the mid-2010s, and while rates began to inch up, they remained modest, barely crossing 0.6% for longer-term CDs by the end of 2019. From 2022 onwards, rates surged, with the best CD rates exceeding 5%, largely due to the Federal Reserve's response to inflation. By December 2023, some banks were offering rates of 5.3% or more on 12-month CDs. Although the Federal Reserve is cutting rates for the first time since 2020, investors still have access to much higher CD rates today compared to past years. Some of the best CD rates today include, but are not limited to, Community-Wide Federal Credit Union, which offers the highest 6-month CD rate at 4.65% APY, and Brilliant Bank, which offers 4.6% APY on their 3-month CD. How CDs work. CDs are a type of savings account with a fixed interest rate and a set maturity date. When you open a CD, you agree not to withdraw your money until the term ends, which can range from a few months to several years. If you do decide to take your money out early, you'll likely have to pay an early withdrawal penalty.